Welcome. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to hide your Instagram story from someone, you're in the right place. Whether you want a little more privacy or just need to keep certain eyes off your updates, I'll walk you through the updated steps to get it done in just a few taps. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to hide your story. Once you're in, head over to the search bar or your followers list and find the profile of the person you want to hide your story from. When you're on their profile, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 dots stacked vertically. This is the menu button. Go ahead and tap on those 3 dots. A menu will pop up with several options. From here, select Hide Your Story. Instagram will then ask you to confirm your choice. This is just to make sure you really want to hide your story from this person. Tap Hide to confirm. And that's it. Your story is now hidden from that account. They won't be notified that you've made this change, and you can always reverse it later if you change your mind. Just follow the same steps and choose Unhide Your Story if you want to give them access again. This feature is perfect for those times when you want to share something with most of your followers, but not everyone. Maybe it's a personal update, a surprise, or just something you'd rather keep private. Whatever your reason, Instagram makes it simple to control who can see your stories. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on mastering Instagram and other social media platforms. Let me know in the comments if you have any other questions or need help with a different feature. See you in the next video.